Number 1. Reading. Read every day. Books expand your thinking. You start seeing opportunities others miss. Better thinking leads to better decisions. Number 2. Fitness. Train your body regularly. Build strength and discipline. You gain energy most people lack. A strong body supports a strong mindset. Number 3. Gaming. Play with purpose. Improve your skills over time. Gaming can turn into content or competition. What starts as fun can become income. Number 4. Photography. Capture moments around you. Learn angles, lighting, and timing. Your photos can tell powerful stories. That skill can turn into paid work. Number 5. Video editing. Edit videos for fun. Learn cuts, transitions, and pacing. Creators always need good editors. Your skill can quickly become valuable. Number 6. Music. Sing, play, or produce. Practice and improve daily. Music connects with people emotionally. That connection can turn into income. Number 7. Drawing or design. Create art consistently. Experiment with styles and ideas. Design is everywhere in the digital world. Your creativity can solve real problems. Number 8. Writing. Write your thoughts daily. Improve clarity and expression. Words have the power to influence people. That influence can create opportunities. Number 9. Public speaking. Speak in front of people. Practice confidence and clarity. Strong communication sets you apart. It opens doors most people never get. Number 10. Content creation. Create and share online. Post videos, ideas, or stories. Attention is one of the biggest assets today, and attention can turn into income.